Well, if you know, you know. If you don't, well, you probably won't be able to get here anyway. I don't think this spot's ever been fished, or very rarely. Some lovely little ducks hanging around there. Took a bit of effort getting in here. Got water. I've got my sunscreen on. It's going to be hot. Face mask on. Hood on. And let's get some cicadas going, because that's what seems to be the moral of the day. So let's get some cicadas happening. And see what today brings. Very brackish style water. To be honest, it might be too shallow. Oh, just had a massive hit. I don't have my black one. I've left it at home. It's just sad, because today would have been the perfect day. Oh, look at that. I think we'll go up a bit further. There's another couple of casts. Oh. Oh. God damn it. How did that not hit? Look how up against the wall that was. And we're on. That was the baby. That was a baby. First fish of the day. It is a baby. Now he's getting away. That wasn't the one that... I gotta remember, these fish have probably never seen a person at all. I'm in an area that, like I said, I don't think it's ever been fished, or it's rarely been fished. Alright, cyst hooks in here. I can't even see where they are. Stick's doing the damage. There we go, little Bream. Off he goes. Let's get this out for another one. So the big one was actually in there. Oh, look at that. Straight away, hit. It wasn't the big one though that I was after. Oh no. I think that person was scared, I think that. Jesus Christ. Oh. I'm going to have to keep my eyes open, I think. Oh, Jesus. How did two of them miss? There's two or three of them fighting over it. But they weren't very big, that was the problem. They weren't very big at all. Oh, go on. Finally. He's not very big again. Oh, the biggest of the day though. Right home about. There was another one under there too, it's about the same size. Still a bit green. Dude, just stop. What's he been eating? He's been munching on something. There's something in his mouth. We'll have a look at that in a second. Alright. So what we'll do, we'll clear this out, see if we can pull out what he's been eating. Or he's been fighting. So he's been fighting more than anything. Yep, off he goes. Picking from another day. I didn't see that happen today. That wasn't on my books. Oh, fucking keeps happening. Did not expect that on the books today, but anyway. That wing's definitely broken. Oh no, that's not a good thing. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oh. Taking me up into the snags, come on. That's a bigger model. Definitely a bigger bottle. This is a net job. I think we just hit 30. I think we finally cracked the 30. Exactly where I thought there was going to be one. And it was that single assist hook on the back that got it. I just changed that single assist hook, and we got it. And the wing has been snapped off completely now. What do we got? The much darker species. So what's he going? Yeah, oh, and there's another 30 model. It's just a solid 27-ish model. So he's pretty solid though. Definitely worth the fight. And that cicada's pretty much stuffed now. I'm pretty much screwed for cicadas. Oh, one more cicada lure. There we go, let him go. But yeah, that's, I knew it was on its last legs. So that's that one pretty much dead. Broke the wing off. So the only cicada I've got left is an Atomic. And these guys don't have assist hooks at all, they just have the one treble. So the other day I was using this and I didn't have much luck, so let's hope we get some hookups with just the one treble. No assist. I've got no assist hooks left either, so it's not like I can change it over. This was a quick fish, so I'll give this spot like I said, I don't think it's ever been fished. I've only come a couple hundred metres from where you launch. I'm shocked that there's nothing in here. Oh. As I was saying, I'd be shocked there's nothing in there. God, it's hot today, I'm sweating. Let's just throw that right up the back there. Got a funny feeling that's where that one belonged. No. Maybe not. I really can't get underneath those branches there. Oh, it's one of the best casts I've ever done, I think, in structure. Oh, call that a weird skipping action. Oh, that was hard against the bank. Oh, that was big. clever. That's not clever at all. That's stuck. Fuck. Oh shit. Ow. Oh, it's absolutely deafening here. You probably can't hear it, but there is cicadas in the trees everywhere here. Oh! Oh yeah, we're on. Oh, and we're off. Wow. Literally, as soon as they hit the... Oh, yep. Oh! Pulling us in. This feels like a better model. I've been looking for this all day. Oh, yep. Looks like an alright model. Again, that high 20s, I would say. Don't think he's 30s, but... It's got a bit of give in him. Oh, that's a nice one. Like I said, we've only got this cicada left, the atomic cicada. Finally get a hook up, a good hook up. Let's wet the board. Let's see what this fella's going. Yeah, we just cracked 30, 31. Just got him. Right, bud, there you go. Well, persistence pays off, doesn't it? Oh, that's a big mullet. Oh, what was that? That had to be a big bream. How did that? No. I can't even hear if my camera's on. It's that loud in here. Come on. Oh no. Oh, no. No. Yep. I literally seen him take it. I literally watched him take that. I literally watched him come up and take that. It's a 15 centimetre model. I literally watched him come up and take it.